You see, Ajpa is a method which involves contemplation on a sound within your mind, and it is also related to a conscious way of breathing. You see, whatever work you are doing, you can always continue connected with, you can always remain connected with your true self, and you can practice it while doing all the chores of life. While doing office work, which involves your complete attention, that time also you can practice the breathing technique, which will harmonize your vibrations, which can make you more focused, which can bring balance in your mind, and you will be able to do your work, your official work, very efficiently. And when you are at home, when you come back from the office, you can always find spare time when you can sit and meditate. So this process, this method, can be practiced when you sit and meditate, and you can also practice it inwardly while moving around. So it is so simple, and it helps you to remain connected within you with the consciousness, which is the source of joy and positive energy, and it gives you everything which can help you to lead a very successful and joyful life.